Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapter on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Now, let us say something is disabled here, alright. To enable it, you'll have to right click and enable. Now in my case, I cannot enable Ethernet because I do not even have an Ethernet slot at the first place. There is no such connection. Now let us say that I am connected to the Wi-Fi and I wish to disable the Wi-Fi adapter. Simply right click on the adapter and select disable. This is disabled, but it exists. In these cases, the red cross means that it does not even exist at the first place. So there is nothing that you can do about it. And in the case of the Wi-Fi adapter, it will be grayed out because it's disabled. To enable it, simply right click on it and select enable. It will start enabling the Wi-Fi adapter and your job will be done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.